You know, they say every home tells a story, but this home, this right here, is a bestseller. Wow, we got a real gem to show you today, and that's 6846 Apex Court. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, freehold townhome is a wonderful home to be in. It's located in the Lisgar community of Mississauga. Remember, this is not just a home, it's a lifestyle. Located on a quiet court, your steps from Lisgar GO Station, premium shopping, and endless green spaces like Lisgar Community Parks and Trails. With easy access to the highways 401, the 407, commuting is a breeze. But the real magic? It's inside. Let's check it out.
Step inside to a bright, open concept main floor that's perfect for modern living. The heart of the home, this upgraded kitchen featuring granite countertops, sleek cabinetry, and plenty of prep space to bring out your inner chef.
The seamless flow into the dining and living areas means entertaining is effortless, whether it's a cozy night in or hosting your favorite people. And with direct access to the garage and a separate entrance to the finished basement, this home is as functional as it is stylish.
Upstairs features a cozy family room and 3 spacious bedrooms, including a primary bedroom with a 4-piece bathroom. And here's the best part, his and her closets, which means no more fighting over space.
Downstairs, the finished basement offers endless possibilities, whether you need a 4th bedroom, a home gym, or a private guest suite. And with a separate entrance through the garage, it's ideal for extended family or extra income potential. If you're looking for a move-in ready home in a prime location, 6846 Apex Court is calling your name.
Want to see it for yourself? Contact Papis Premier Homes today. We'd love to show you around.